Hello, welcome to Mentor DC channel. Today I'm going to show some tips and tricks based on Instagram followers, to whom you follow but they did not follow you back. I'm making this video because everyone want to make good moves in this platform. No more followers, no more following. Best site for earnings, being famous mindset. Okay, let's switch on the topics. You might be thinking how it can be possible to know whether someone is following you back or not. So here I'm with the tricks for this thing. It's easy and effective way to know about this particular person you follow. If you want to know this thing, then you need to watch full video without skipping. And I will give you some tips to grow your Instagram engagement. You just need to be with me till the end. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming for 500 subscribe within a week. Let's begin. First, you need to open Instagram. Then open your profile. Go to your following list. Now you need to cross-check the list of peoples that you follow. Go to their profile, whom you follow recently. Go to their following and followers list. But first you need to see the following list of the person you follow. You will notice something very unique there. As soon as you open the following list of the person you follow, on the top you will see you profile. That means they follow back. Now let's skip the person that follow you back already, and let's see the other one in your following list. When you are cross-checking every individual you follow, if you didn't see your profile on the top of their following list, then unfollow them. It's very simple because they are afraid that they might lose their pride by following back. They might have famous mindset, so don't care. Now it's time to check every individual that you follow recently. I told you I will give some tips and tricks for Instagram growth. Here it is. Make sure per day you follow up to 50 person. After you follow them, keep it for 1 to 2 days. See how they respond. And if you think they haven't followed you back, then I already show you what to do. Check every individual following list and unfollow them. If you do continuously same thing, then within a month you will see the progress. I'm giving this tips and trick to those who want to grow their engagement in Instagram. If you don't believe me, then check the person who have equal followers and following list. They got some real engagement.